It's a combination or a synthesis. I was thinking about doing my own, like, what is human design video. What is human design? You say how to explain what human design is video. We got the big five: I Ching, astrology, Kabbalah, chakra system, and quantum physics. Okay, so let's just go through these five. Okay. I Ching, iconic archetypes of the human existence. This is philosophy, meanings of things and stuff. See, we got astrology, Western astrology, Western, Eastern astrology also. Let's just put all of them. Southern, Northern astrology, Vedic. It's at least 5 different kinds of astrology. And what we're going to realize as we do this is that human design is a combination or a synthesis of everything. It's just about everything. And what that is just more and more reasons to be interested in it and to do human design. That's the whole point of this. Kabbalah. We're talking about the tree of life. The tree of life is comparable to the body graph with the channels. We say, this is what we say. We say that the I Ching is the gates and the tree of life is the channels. It looks so much like it that it almost is so similar, and it looks like, you know what it looks like, right? Okay, I'm gonna play the Tree of Life song. The tree of life for those who hold fast to it. All of its supporters are happy. It is the tree of life for those who hold fast to it, and all of its supporters are happy. Shalom, shalom, Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom. Happy, and everyone claps. Tree of Life, Jewish mysticism. So yeah, Kabbalah. It's so similar. So the chakra system, the Brayton chakra, Brahmin, Hindu Brahmin chakra system. This one's pretty cut and dry. 7 centered to 9 centered, 7 chakras. Now we got 9 centers. Home run with that one. Just works, just really crosses over really well. So look, there's only one left in the big 5 before we break it down and really get into what human design is. And it's quantum physics. And look, you guys, just lead with this. Just lead with quantum physics. This is the big one. This is the clincher. It's like you tell people it's astrology and this and that, and they're just like, you know, and then you're like, and quantum physics. And they go, oh, really? Quantum physics? Tell me more. I know quantum physics. I believe in quantum physics. And then you're like, that's because it's real, dude. Human design, quantum physics. This is why there's so many scientists in human design. This is why the quantum physicists are just bum rushing the show. So, I mean, what are we going to do with all these quantum physicists that are getting into human design right now? What is human design? You say, it's basically quantum physics with some other stuff. The science of differentiation, right? It is science. Just say it's science. Say it's a bunch of science. It's all the science. First of all, astrology, that's astrophysics and astronomy are automatically built into that. There's 2 more facets of science right there. Also, I mean, just the basic concept of duality that Ra talks about. Relativity versus quantum. Relativity. Okay, the Big Bang, that's just more science. We talk about the Big Bang, and that's astrophysics, right? And theoretical space physics. No, biology. Biology, because it's about, I mean, we talk about this all the time. We got different designs for different animals and plants, and then, you know, it talks about glands and references to different parts of the body, the different centers and all where it manifests in your health and blah, blah, blah. So putting biology in here. How about psychology? Rave psychology. Look at all these things that human design is already. Sociology, neuroscience, the way the energy moves around the body, and we're talking just all the same kind of shit. Also, just nutrition. We got nutrition. We're talking about diets and health and how to eat and when to do this and that. You got nutrition. Then we talk about amino acids. There's something about amino acids, right? Well, basically, if there's 64 of anything, or even more than 64 of something, it's kind of human design, isn't it? Because you can correlate each of the things with one of the gates of the I Ching. There's all this science. There's a lot of science. Look, the genetic code, right? RNA codons or DNA codons or whichever one it is, 64. 64. Genetics. This is the whole page is full of things. This is what human design is. This. See, what else is there 64 of? You ever Wikipedia search numbers? Okay, chessboard. Checkerboard has 64 squares on it. That could be human design. Putting chess on the list. It mentions the I Ching. 1964 Chevy Impala. How about that one? I'm trying to think there's something that there's 64 of them. 64 crayons in the 64 pack of Crayola crayons. Could have a different color for every one. Well, what is human design? It's human design. How to explain what human design is? Just feel free to say this. This is what human design is.